Hello everyone. Welcome to Rational Investor and Trader. Today I will explain you about momentum investing and trading with live example. I have implemented this for a month and it gave me a returns, good returns. So let's start. What is momentum actually? First we need to understand. So momentum is nothing but if a stock is moving higher and higher on a daily basis, then it is giving a momentum, a positive momentum. If a stock is moving lower and lower daily, it is giving a negative momentum. So if it's giving higher returns daily, then it is high positive momentum. If it is giving lower returns daily, it is low positive momentum. So momentum can be on the both sides, positive and negative. If how it was moving, how it was moving is called the momentum of the stock. So it basically the rate of change of return of the stock on a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis or even hourly basis. We can calculate on the hourly, daily, monthly, weekly and yearly also. So how it is changing, the rate of change of the return is momentum. Okay, so let's understand the momentum with an example. Here I have calculated the momentum on a daily basis. Here is a stock A, here is a stock B. On the day 1 the stock is at 99 and I have on the day 2 it is 105. So from 99 to 105 it changed 6 points. So 6 divided by 99, how much percentage? 6.06. In the same way I calculated for the whole 7 days. In the same way, stock B also I calculated for the whole 7 days. Now I added the whole 7 days, so I got a weekly return of. I mean, on the daily basis, I calculated the momentum, so I added the daily daily percentage change. So I got 35%. In 7 days, stock A moved 35.27%, and stock B also haven't moved anything till day 5, but on the day 6 it moved uh, a whooping 24.4 percentage, and on the day 7 it moved 6.7 percentage. So on a total it moved 31%. So can you say which stock has given a good momentum? Obviously it is stock A. So always remember you should calculate the momentum on a percentage basis, because if for example if a stock some C is 1000 rupees, so on absolute value basis, I mean how much rupees or dollars it changed, obviously uh, stock C will be more than stock A or B. So always remember you need to it's better to calculate on a percentage basis, not on the value basis, on the rupees or dollars. So here, coming to the point, stock A or stock B given, which stock has given a good momentum? Obviously stock A has given good momentum because stock A total momentum is 35.27% and 31.1%, right? So here what I'm trying to say is, so don't judge stock B on it haven't gave any momentum for 5 days. No, it is not true, but it gave uh, 24% on a single day and remaining 6% on the seventh day, right? So it also gave a good momentum, but here it gave consistently some positive momentum. Here there is no momentum, but suddenly it gave. So overall stock A is more than stock B, but stock B also gave a good momentum. Okay, so if we sort out the stock A and stock B descendingly, stock A will come first and stock B will come next. So both stock will come under our radar to invest. So how can we find the momentum stocks? So NSE provides a momentum index. It is called momentum 200. Mom- oh sorry, the okay, here is a printing mistake. It's called momentum 230 index. So I will also attach the link in the description. They will also provide the CSV file of the stocks in this index. Okay, you can directly pick the stocks from this index. I tested my momentum stocks on this list only. I got the momentum stocks from this index list only. Or else what we can do is, NSE also provide 1 year um, 1 year data of individual stocks. So you can download 1 year individual stock data and you can calculate the momentum. How you can calculate the momentum is closing day 1 closing price minus day 2 closing price divided by um, day 1 close price. Okay, I mean day 2 minus day 1 by day 1. Okay, so you will get the percent. This is the only formula you can use to calculate the momentum. And how can you select? You can select from Nifty 100, Nifty 500, Nifty 50, Nifty 200, and there are so many indexes in the NSE website. You can just take it from there. Okay, and it is very valuable content NSE provides, because they do a lot of research on that. They don't simply put the data, I mean the indexes or something. They have very good analyst who will calculate all the in all the dimensions, and they will pick the stocks. So it's better to, if you don't want to calculate, you can just pick the stock from this momentum 30 index. Okay, so what they will do is, here in this index, from the 200 stocks they will pick 30 stocks which are giving high return. And remember one more thing, they will change the 30 index on 6 months basis. They will not change on the monthly basis. So you should also change. If you're following this for 6 months, they will also change for 6 months. If you go to the link which I provide, you will know everything detail. Just read it, and then you try to whether to invest or not, decide on your own. Okay, I'm just giving you the idea how can you invest. So I'm not recommending you to invest whatever I'm saying. So now you will otherwise you can also calculate on a yearly basis of each individual stock. And after calculating, what you will do is, you will sort in a descending order. So after you sort in a descending order, you will pick top 10 or 12 stocks from the list. And what you will do, you will invest in that. If you are calculate, and you can invest on a daily, you can calculate daily basis, on you can calculate on a monthly basis, or you can calculate on a yearly basis, as I said earlier, right? So in the same way, when you calculate this, you can change either week. You can again calculate in a week, in a month, or in a year. And again you can shuffle, I mean you can remove the stocks which doesn't come under this 10 to 12 stock, and you can buy the new stocks which earlier you have. Okay, uh, so now I will show you the example of my momentum trading with real money. Okay, I call it trading because I bought it on May 3rd, and I sold it on May 31st. So it is just a 1 month. And I also realized a profit of 1200 after removing all the charges. So I just made it round figure. It is somewhat 1200 some change. But I bought so what I did was, I selected the stocks from this momentum 230 index. I created a basket in the Zerodha. And by creating basket, what we can do is, by a single click we can buy all the stocks in the list. Okay, so what I did was, I bought only single share of these 20 stocks, because I was investing I mean doing it for first time. So I bought only single share, and I want to see for 1 month. So I bought on the May 3rd, and I sold 20 stocks on the May 31st, and I realized a profit of 1200. So why I choose the list from here, because I trust NSC, because as I said earlier, they have good analyst, and they will pick stocks carefully. So here is the list of the stocks which I bought. So actually I said here they have 30 stocks, right? But I bought only 20 stocks, because it was taking me around 36,000 just to buy single stock itself. Here you can see, right, quantity single stock. It is taking like 36,000 or something. So at that time I have that much only. So I bought, you can see here, right, equity 20. I mean, so 1 to 20 out of 20. So I bought 20 stocks on the day, and I bought it. So a single stock. So, and obviously on the 31st May, as I said, I sold 19 stocks. I don't know why I kept this DV slab. I guess I did some analysis. So I also do some trading. So I did analysis and kept it like that. But I made a system of, like, I need to sell it everything. But I you should not do. You should, if you make a decision, you should sell it. Okay. So I bought it, and I sold here all the stocks. Here you can see Naukar is 2, right? So I bought it when it came to the support. But you should also not do this one. You should stick to the strategy. Okay, and so I sold all the stocks which I bought earlier from the basket of 20. I sold it 19. But I am saying you should stick to the strategy. If you stick for 1 month, you should sell, and you should not disturb the strategy. Okay, system. Next, I will show you the profit now. Now see, on the 31st May, how much I realized profit of 2600, right? But here what happened is, in the momentum strategy there is also Jubilee Food. So in the Jubilee Food, actually I bought it when it was around 1645, and I also bought it on the 3rd May. But what Zerodha will do, first in first out. I mean, the stock, I mean, I earlier I have this Jubilee Food, so it will sell the stock from that, from the day which I bought earlier, not on the day which I bought on the June 3rd. So what I did was, I just removed this 1400 rupees from this 2600, and I showed you here 1200, and I made it round figure. Not exactly I'm showing you, but I realized a profit of 1200, right? So overall, what I'm trying to say is, this Jubilee Food I am removing it because it will not sell the stock which I bought on 3rd May, but it will sell the stock which I bought earlier. So first in first out, okay. So I removed it, and I made a profit of 1200. Okay, like 30,000, 36,000 to 12,000 by 36, sorry, 1200 by 36, it will be around I don't know percentage, but it is a good percentage, good return rate. So, and it gave, I haven't done anything, I didn't done any calculation, I just bought the shares from there, and I invested it on single share, and I made a profit of 1200. It is very good, right? So, and also Naukari, I did a mistake of, like, I said you earlier, you should only stick to the strategy, you should not disturb the strategy until it is realized, okay. So my final thoughts is, so you momentum can be calculated on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and a monthly and yearly. So if you calculate on a monthly basis, you will do calculation of rate of return. Or suppose on May you have done May 1st, okay, calculated, and you bought the stocks from the list 10 to 12, okay, and on May 31st you will sell the all stock. Again you will do the calculation, and again you will sell the stocks which are not come under the 10 to 12 stocks, and you will buy the stocks which are new to this 10 to 12 stock, okay. And this process is repeated. So it is just, it's like a strategy, you need to, you can save a lot of time, instead of putting like drawing support resistance or finding the stocks, or instead of doing all these things, you will just buy the stock on a single, I mean, in a week or in a month or in a year, and you will just leave it, the strategy you will leave it. And one more thing, always try to keep the stop loss. So if you don't give the stop loss, in the bull market, this momentum strategy will give you a good return, because you are on the long side. And when the market turns negative, it will bleed. So always, please try to keep a stop loss when you implement this, okay. And also, momentum can be implemented short and long also, if the stock is making new lows every day, you can also do that, but you cannot sell the real stocks, you can sell in futures and options, right? So that one also can implemented, but I prefer going long only. So here, um, so what I'm trying to say is, you should keep the stop loss, and you don't need to keep a lot of efforts, but you can just calculate on a single day and month end, and then that's it, you will realize the profit. And the process will continue until you like, or until you remove it, based on your situation, okay. So that's all, I hope you found it useful. And if you have any queries or questions, please comment below. I will try to respond to each and every comment. And thank you, and please also do like and subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.